Hi Libra, this is your channel messages for the 22nd of November. I am your host Vanessa Carby. Libra, the girls them sugar. Libra, it's shagging. Okay, this is your channel song. I want to give you a lap dance. That's what I want to do. Libra, fucking Robitussin. I don't know why this shit got me lazy right now. Yeah, he can't do Percocet on my day. I'm turning one, trying to live it up here right now, baby. I know he. Bring it over to my bed. I'm baby like baby. I know you scared. Bring it over to my place. I don't know what you do deep to me. Your body like weight speaks to me. I don't know what you do deep to me. Your body like weight speaks to me. Hey, 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 hey. That's it. We can't really continue because we have a time limit we need to abide by. Exactly. So I'm getting Libra. You don't know what you do deep to me. Your body like weight speaks to me. I don't know what you do deep to me. Your body like weight speaks to me. Okay, so I'm getting Libra. So I'm getting it is either you're missing someone's body. One feeling like 1 million. Right, you're missing someone's body right now. So I'm getting, yeah, you want to be under the influence with them. Or I'm getting, even if you don't do drugs, when you're intimate with this person, you feel like you're under the influence, okay? Let's go ahead and get an overall card for you, and we're going to jump into your reading. Libra, baby, Libra, you're scared. We have the Ace of Cups, but bring it over to my bed. I love it how you do deep to me. My body's lightweight, speaks to you. My body's very lightweight. I weigh 115 pounds. I'm very lightweight. Okay, so we have the Ace of Cups coming out. So I'm getting I like it, you like it. I'm getting you're not rejecting something. I'm getting you're entertaining the idea of whatever this is, okay, Libra? Now let's see what is the answer to your question. So ask a question, Libra. What is the question you want to answer? And I'll see what I can do for you. All right, Libra. So the answer to your question is a renowned yes. It's a yes, Libra. Now be careful, you might be under the influence and the man coming here. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Yeah, we're going to be on. Oh, baby, that's what happened. You got pregnant. What happened? The guy was under the influence. Yeah, that's what happens. That's why I don't like the guys under the influence. We're getting under if something happened under the influence. Mo's also dreaming about a baby girl. This baby girl, curly hair, very bright eyes, and she was in this pretty dress, like sparkly dress. And like, me see her with a baby brush, you know, the soft baby brush, and you brush her scalp. And you brush your hair upon her scalp. And me getting bare people around the baby. I was getting that. But also, me getting under the influence. That's what him do. Come make we go to a hotel. Bring it to the fucking hotel. There, under the fucking influence. And I can't even pull out. Under the influence. I'm getting that's how you got pregnant. You were under the influence. You were drunk. It's a drunk baby. Not a drunk baby, but you get what I mean? The baby was, I don't even believe you remember that guy came inside of you. I think it just was like, oh, I'm pregnant. Could be the time I got drunk. That's what I'm getting. Yes, I'm getting there's a baby here. So maybe you're asking if you should follow through with this pregnancy. Me getting a question is a yes, you are pregnant. No, I'm getting if you don't follow this pregnancy up, then me getting the sun card. Me getting a pregnant a baby. So it's either you choose to keep it or terminate it, basically. Not sure why that's a decision you have to make. Yeah, I don't know why it's a decision you have to make. I'm getting you have to think about whether you'll keep this baby, whether you can support it, or you're going to adopt it, or you're going to abort it. Because I'm getting something was done under the influence. Don't know what this is, man. We got Ace of Cups, the Sun card. Yeah, me getting had sex with this woman, intoxicated, and she's pregnant. What's your universal direction? The Devil card. Yep, you trap. I'm sorry, that's what it is. Listen, you have to be careful when you have to Chris Brown, you know. When you have to, them will get you bumble pregnant. These songs will get you, Vibes Cartel will get you pregnant, Alkaline will get you pregnant. These people, when you listen to these songs, you pan redeem. You get me? When you hear the, I don't know what you do, you have to do pan redeem, you understand? This is what I'm talking about, yeah. Me getting that's what happened to you. Me getting something about you were drinking, you're pregnant. You're trapped, you don't know what to do. You might even have a drinking problem and you're pregnant, you don't know what to do. But I'm getting 1 cup, led to, or me getting you were like, it's okay, I'm just drinking. Me getting you have no fucking clue what the fuck you did or said, or the shit that came out of your mouth when you were drunk. Me getting the devil. Me getting you binded. Or I'm getting, let me tell you something, you're going to be so fucking happy that this gluttonous devil, him never get you pregnant. Me getting the deal was that this man with a romance and get you pregnant. But I'm getting, I guess this devil's sperm isn't potent. I'm getting you free. Maybe that's what somebody's intention was all along. They're gonna romance, they're gonna be everything you want them be until they get pregnant. And then they're finished their acting role. They can go cash out their check and their royalties basically. Oh, Chris Brown daughter named Royalty, right? I don't want to speak on anybody's kids, but I know him love him daughter though, him bring her everywhere with him on the shows, him really bring her everywhere with him though. I know him have, but me getting something about, or me getting something about you tell somebody, me getting you have to go answer to this. What the fuck you did, bro? I don't know where you do under the influence. Whatever you did, it was under the influence. You know what I want to say? I want to say you touched this child under the influence. You were under the influence. A liquor. You might have had a teenager in your house. You're supposed to be looking after her. You're supposed to be caring for her. Maybe you have a baby in your house. Yeah, me getting you're under the influence. And you start thinking weird thoughts about this young baby girl. I'm getting you a pedophile, aren't you? You're a pedophile. I'm getting you know this. I'm getting somebody else know this too. Yeah, I'm getting that's what it is. I'm getting you a pedophile. And usually these thoughts come out when you're under the influence of alcohol. You start thinking to touch them. Or I'm getting you like them very young. You like them young. I'm getting not even young. You just want to make sure they've never been penetrated before. And that's why you pray on. And never been penetrated before can be a child. So, yeah, I get somebody fat, they have a big belly. I don't know. Yeah, I'm getting you have thoughts, you're having thoughts of kids when you're under the influence. Or me getting when you're under the influence, when you have your picture in the person you're having sex with as a very, very young, not teenager. I'm getting you want it childish. You want to say, oh, good girl. You want can call somebody girl. Me getting you don't use woman, you don't use baby. You like to use girl. That is what turns you on. Good girl. When you use when you refer to the subject as a child while you're doing sexual things with that's what turns you on. I'm gonna leave it here. No, should I? We have bears. You gonna motherfucking lose. We have recording devices, or somebody caught you on recording saying something about a child or about something very inappropriate about this child. No phones allowed. Did somebody probably hear you say something about one Taurus child? Or you made a very inappropriate comment about this Taurus. Something about this Taurus, something about this baby where you say I want Taurus baby, or something about you say how you want the Taurus go out in the drink under the influence. You probably came inside the Taurus. I don't know if you try to say the Taurus about the baby, or somebody getting you go out with somebody, them come inside of you while them drunk, basically. I'm getting that was the plan though. The plan was to get you pregnant under the influence, so you don't have recollection of what happened. I'd never trust that nigga who tells me he's gonna pull out. And if he cannot pull out, I'd never trust that nigga with nothing in my life. You see, if him cannot pull out, if you don't know how to pull out, if you don't know how to control that, I wouldn't trust you with nothing with my blood clot life. Nothing. I wouldn't even call you back. To be very fucking honest. Idiot! I wouldn't even fucking call you back. You see, I have evil tendencies, but I'm not evil. But I can be. I can be a very evil person. You wouldn't imagine how evil I could have been, but I don't. I don't choose to be that person. But I'll tell you, you have a blood clot evil. I'm getting something about this Taurus woman that you're pinning a baby on, or I'm getting the Taurus woman knows when you're under the influence what you like. She know. Maybe that's why you got the whole motherfucking police force to cover for your ass. Because you don't want the whole police force to know that you are the nigga on Chris Hansen's How to Catch a Blood Clot Predator. How do you feel as a police officer know that you have to hide a pedophile? How you feel? You have to hide this pedophile. How do you feel knowing that? You have to hide a man who... And it's not a man who just have the thoughts but don't act on it. I'm getting he is tricking a lot of people, tricking a lot of families, tricking a lot of women with kids, to leave them kids with him. So he can do whatever the fuck he wants to do with that child. Maybe come in the child's diapers. I'm sorry, that's too explicit for you. Oh, is that explicit for you? Oh. Oh, the fuck, well, it's real though. So you're mad because I'm talking about it. You're not mad that nobody's doing something to fix it. You're mad because I'm talking about it. Oh, the fuck well. I'm gonna leave it here until next time. Bye.